Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with US Bank for refinance and cash out planning, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin connecting with US Bank for refinance and cash out planning, start by researching the bank's official website. Look for the mortgage section to find relevant information on refinancing and cash out options. Create a list of questions that you may have regarding rates, terms, and eligibility criteria. Next, gather your personal financial documents. You will typically need your income statements, tax returns, and current mortgage information. Consider using US Bank's online tools to estimate mortgage rates and payments. This will give you an idea of the financial options available to you. Once prepared, reach out to US Bank's customer service. You can do this via phone or their online chat feature. Make sure to have your questions and documents ready for discussion. If you prefer a more personal touch, schedule an appointment with a mortgage specialist. Visit your local US Bank branch or request a virtual meeting. During your meeting, clearly outline your refinancing goals and desired cash out amount. The specialist will assess your financial situation and offer tailored options. Take detailed notes on the advice and information provided. After your meeting, review the offers you received. Consider your current financial situation and what works best for you. If you decide to proceed, ask the specialist about the next steps. They will guide you through the application process and required documentation. Keep communication open with the bank throughout the process. Follow up on your application status as needed. Be prepared to provide any additional information they may request. Once approved, carefully review the terms before signing. Finally, stay informed about your new mortgage and any future refinancing options that may arise. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.